This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how you can deactivate the receipt printer on the XEA107 register. So this process will still enable you to print reports at the end of the day, and it will also print out when you've made changes to the program of the register, but it will stop the incessant noisy printing of receipts during the trading day. It's a fairly simple procedure. It is demonstrated in the manual, but the steps are as follows. Key round to ZPGM position, 2 subtotal, 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, subtotal, subtotal, Obviously it has to print that out almost in spite of what you're trying to do. Now when you're back in the reg mode and you process a transaction, the till caches off without the receipt. Hope that video has been helpful. There's other videos on how to get the best out of the 107 appearing on screen now. You're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.